In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to sign up for a Netflix Premium. Let's get started. First, head over to the official website of Netflix, or you can launch your Netflix app. Now click on Get Started or Sign Up. Now go ahead and type in the email address, then click on the option Get Started. Now you will be receiving a link from Netflix in your email address that you have just entered. So go ahead and check your mail. Launch the mail from Netflix. Click on the option Finish Signing Up. Click on Finish Sign Up again. With that, you will be directed to this page. From here, you will need to choose your subscription plan: Mobile, Basic, Standard, and Premium. Go ahead and select the option of your choice. Then scroll down and click on Next. Now you will be prompted to enter your payment method. Select the payment method and provide your payment details. Review your subscription details and click Start Membership. And just with that, you have signed up for Netflix Premium. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.